I am Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I have my December IPSY, which came in a timely manner, even though I did actually have some add-ons this time. Last month it didn't come until the very end of the month. It feels like I just did an IPSY. Anyway, this month, I guess was my third glam bag because I got a bag out of it, which is one of those like sequin things. You can see I wrote an R in there. It's one of those sequin bags that goes up and down, and I'm completely obsessed with it. I love this bag. First of all, it's crazy fun, but it's a good size, so I could like actually use this as a clutch going out, you know? I mean, it's a good sized bag and it's just so much fun. My daughter's completely obsessed with it. But I also got an email from them saying that they're going to be changing the whole bag thing. Instead of getting a bag every third month, they're just gonna get rid of that and focus on the products, which is fine with me. I have so many freaking bags anyway, so anyway, let's talk about the products. Okay, so I have two things in here that are not cruelty-free, so I'm not going to use them, but I'll just give them away to friends or whatever. This is the KLORANE Dry Shampoo, and I actually had gotten this before, I don't know, many moons ago, and loved it. This is a really great dry shampoo. I was really sad to see that KLORANE's not cruelty-free, but you know, whatever. And then this lipstick from ESTÉE LAUDER, which is in the color Pure Color Envy lipstick in the color Jealous, 270 Jealous. Oh, that's funny. The lipstick that I'm wearing is Dose of Colors Los Angeles. And I figured it kind of looked like this. That's why I picked this color, but I wasn't even thinking about the name. That's funny. Anyway, look at this color. It's really pretty. I'm kind of sad that I'm not going to use it, but also there's nothing quite so beautiful as a perfect unused lipstick. It's so pretty. It's a magnetic closure. Anyway, we're gonna move on. Okay, so some skincare this month. This is from 111 Skin. Is it 111, 111? I never know how to say that. Anyway, this is a vitamin C brightening booster, and you're supposed to use this. You can use it like by itself, or you can mix it into your moisturizer, which is what I did today. And it's a very liquidy formula. It's like, I mean, the consistency really just feels like you've put water on. You know, it's not sticky or greasy or oily or anything like that. And it's just a vitamin C booster, so it's supposed to be good for brightening your skin, getting rid of dark spots, that sort of a thing. So I'm excited to have this, especially because I am running very low on my Derma E vitamin C serum. So I'm excited to give this a try. I have used it a couple of times. So far, so good. Yeah, so that's awesome. And then I have a 3 set of brushes. These are from F.A.R.A.H, which I was unfamiliar with that company, but they are cruelty-free, vegan, all that stuff. And it's a 3-pack of brushes. You've got like a pinched angled thing, which I used for my contour today. You have a stipple brush, which I used for my cream blush, and it worked pretty well. I actually liked it. And then this powder brush, which I used for both powder, and then I went back and used it for my blush, for a powder blush that I put on top of my cream blush. And I really like all 3 of these brushes. They're very soft. I like the shape and size. The gold pointy handles are super cute. They also have these indents right here that just kind of make them, you know, ergonomically lovely to hold and use, and I'm really, really liking this. I think they're awesome, and I'm always happy to get brushes. I don't care how many brushes I have, I always love getting brushes. It's just one of those things, you know? And then the final product is this eyeshadow quad from Smith & Cult. Book of Eyes Soft Shock. I smoked out the color scheme, because they have several different colors of these, and I did use these on my eyes today, so you can see that they are used, but I really like the color scheme of these. The shadows themselves are meant to be used either dry or wet, and it's supposed to be like a powder to cream formula, which I don't know that I see that at all, but they are very buttery feeling, very soft. They do have quite a bit of fallout, so you do need to be careful with that, especially with the more glittery shades, but I think they're really pretty. This green gold one, I always think it's gonna be more gold, and then it turns out it's like, oh no, that's like green. And then this glittery silver one, which is basically like a chunky glitter. There's the 4 colors just kind of smushed onto my fingertips. You can see that black is super pigmented, right? So like I said, I do have these on my eyes today. This is what I have. So I have this lighter shade kind of on my inner corner and my brow bone, the green one all over my lid and into my crease. The silver I put on top of the green on the movable part of my lid, and then I use the black as an eyeliner. So you can kind of see them on my eyes. So yeah, I love the colors. I thought that they were easy to use and went on really nicely. We'll see how they wear because this is my first time actually wearing them. I just got my IPSY bag. So I'm, you know, so far I am pleased though. The packaging is really cute. I love the, you know, the kind of, it's got this kind of crinkly, I'm not even exactly sure what that's supposed to be, but whatever, it's got kind of a crinkly thing. And then, you know, the offset squares, which is a little, it's one of those like more packaging than actual product sort of moments, but that's okay. Nice big mirror. And I do think that it's really cute. Was there a brush in here that I forgot about or lost when I first opened it? Because do you see the little dent right here? Like, I think there might have been a sponge or a brush or something that I probably, you know, probably fell out right when I opened it and I didn't notice, and it's gone now. It's probably in my couch cushions. Anyway, oh, and then I did order an extra little thing. I told you this is from IPSY, and this is the Radiant Glow highlighter, and it's a really like white pale color, which actually comes off as quite gold. Well, it's pretty pigmented on my finger, but when you put it on, it's fair, but it's quite gold looking. Anyway, I do think it's really pretty, and this is one of those things that I think would work well as an eyeshadow as well. You know, it's just that really pretty gold shimmeriness, and I like it. So anyway, that is my IPSY Glam Bag Plus for the month of December. Let me know what you guys got. Have you gone up to the Plus yet? Or are you still getting the regular bag? What'd you guys get? What'd you think of this? I'm really liking the Plus, honestly. I think it's awesome. I'm having a good time with it. I have no intentions of going back to the regular bag anytime soon. Last month I got a lot of repeats, but that's okay. You know, it happens, and they were still great products, and I have every intention of including some of those products in Christmas presents. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!